Hey everyone, Camila here. Welcome back to my channel. Dubai is known for being super fancy and expensive, right? Lots of luxury cars and huge hotels, but what if you don't have a ton of money? Can you live in Dubai on a regular salary like 4,000 AED a month? Yes, you totally can. It just takes some planning and being clever with your money. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. I'll give you real tips on everything from finding a cheap place to live and getting around to eating good food and still having fun. So, click that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, let's be honest, rent is usually the biggest expense, and Dubai is no different. The city is known for its luxurious lifestyle and high cost of living, but that doesn't mean you can't find a place that fits your budget. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking to save some money, there are options out there for you. But don't worry, finding a good and affordable place to live is possible. You just need to know where to look and be a bit flexible with your living arrangements. The key is to start your search early and be open to different neighborhoods and types of housing. First, forget about living alone in a fancy apartment downtown, at least for now. Those high-rise buildings with stunning views are tempting, but they come with a hefty price tag. Instead, consider more practical options that won't break the bank. Sharing an apartment with roommates is your best option. Not only does it significantly cut down on costs, but it also gives you a chance to meet new people and build a community. Plus, shared living spaces often come with shared responsibilities, making life a bit easier. Splitting rent and bills saves a lot of money. Imagine dividing the cost of utilities, internet, and even groceries. It all adds up to substantial savings, allowing you to allocate your funds to other important areas like leisure activities or personal savings. Where can you find roommates and affordable apartments? There are plenty of online platforms and community boards where you can start your search. Websites and apps dedicated to housing and roommate matching can be incredibly useful. Check out areas like Al Qusais, Deira, or International City. These neighborhoods are known for their affordability and still offer a decent quality of life. They are well connected to the rest of the city, making your daily commute manageable. They're cheaper and still close to public transportation. The Dubai Metro and bus services are efficient and can get you to most parts of the city without much hassle. Living near public transport can save you both time and money. Expect to pay around 1,000 to 1,500 AED per month for a room in a shared apartment. This is a reasonable amount considering the high cost of living in Dubai. It allows you to enjoy the city's amenities without stretching your budget too thin. Websites like Dubizzle, Property Finder, and Bayou are really helpful. They offer a wide range of listings and allow you to filter your search based on your budget and preferences. These platforms are user-friendly and can make your search process much smoother. You could also look for a bed space, which is even cheaper, usually 800 to 1,200 AED a month. Bed spaces are a popular option for those who are really looking to save money. They offer a place to sleep and basic amenities, making them a practical choice for budget-conscious individuals. Just know you'll be sharing with more people. This means less privacy but also lower costs. It's a trade-off that many find worthwhile, especially if you're new to the city and looking to make new friends. Finding the right roommates is super important. Compatibility is key to a harmonious living situation. Make sure to discuss expectations, habits, and financial responsibilities up front to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Look for people who live similarly to you and have similar budgets. This will make it easier to manage shared expenses and ensure that everyone is on the same page. A good match can make your living experience much more enjoyable. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Living with the right people can turn a simple apartment into a home. It can make your time in Dubai more enjoyable and less stressful, allowing you to focus on your work, studies, or whatever brought you to this vibrant city. Okay, let's talk about getting around. Navigating a bustling metropolis like Dubai might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Dubai is a big city, but it has a great public transportation system that's much cheaper than taxis. The extensive network ensures you can get to almost any part of the city without breaking the bank. First, the Dubai Metro. It's clean, fast, and goes to most major areas. The Metro is a favorite among both locals and tourists for its efficiency and convenience. A monthly Knoll card, which you use for the Metro, buses, and the tram, is only about 270 AED for unlimited rides. This card is a game changer for anyone looking to save money while traveling around the city. Dubai also has a lot of buses that can take you almost anywhere. The bus network is extensive and covers areas that the Metro might not reach. And the best part? You can use your Knoll card on the buses too, so it's easy to switch between the Metro and bus. This seamless integration makes commuting hassle-free. Want to experience Dubai like a local? Take a shared taxi called an Abra. These traditional wooden boats offer a unique way to see the city. These little wooden boats go across Dubai Creek and are super cheap. For just a few dirhams you can enjoy a scenic ride across the water. Plus, it's a fun experience. The gentle sway of the boat and the picturesque views make it a memorable journey. If your work isn't too far, try walking or biking. Not only is it cost-effective, but it's also a great way to explore the city at your own pace. Dubai has more bike paths now. The city is becoming increasingly bike-friendly, with dedicated lanes and bike-sharing stations popping up all over. It's a great way to stay active and avoid traffic. Plus, you'll get to see parts of the city that you might miss when traveling by car or metro. Check one, check two, check. Let's talk about food. Eating out in Dubai is tempting, but cooking at home saves a lot of money. Skip the fancy supermarkets and go to budget-friendly stores like Lulu Hypermarket or Union Co-op. They have everything you need at lower prices. Plan your meals and make a grocery list so you don't buy things you don't need. A little planning helps you save a lot. Pro tip: check out local markets like Karama or Satwa for fresh fruits, vegetables, and spices. They're much cheaper than supermarkets. By cooking most of your meals and shopping smart, you can keep your monthly food costs to around 500 to 700 AED. That leaves you extra money to eat out sometimes or try those cool cafes. Chapter 4. Unlocking Dubai's entertainment scene. Free and cheap thrills. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you can't have fun in Dubai. There are lots of free and cheap things to do. Dubai has beautiful beaches, and they're free. Spend your weekends swimming, sunbathing, or just relaxing on the sand. Jumeirah Beach Residence, Kite Beach, and La Mer are some popular choices. Want something different? Go to a park. Zabil Park is a great choice, with lots of green space, a lake, and even a view of the Dubai frame. And it's super cheap to get in. Dubai has so many different cultures, and you can experience them by exploring the old neighborhoods. Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, also called Bastakia, is a must-see. Wander through the narrow streets and admire the old buildings. Bonus tip: download apps like The Entertainer or Groupon. They have great deals on food, activities, and attractions. Chapter 5. Utilities and Internet. Sharing is caring and saving. Let's talk about bills like utilities and internet. If you're sharing an apartment, these costs are sometimes included in the rent. If not, split the bills with your roommates. Expect to pay around 150 to 300 AED per month for your share of electricity, water, and gas. This depends on how much you use and how big your apartment is. For the internet, skip the expensive contracts and get a prepaid mobile or internet plan. There are lots of cheap options starting around 55 AED a month. Compare different providers to find the best deal. Maybe your roommates already have a plan you can share. Chapter 6. Clothing and Essentials. Shopping smart in the City of Gold. Dubai has amazing shopping malls, but you don't have to spend a lot of money. Instead of expensive stores, try budget-friendly options like Day to Day, Dragon Mart, or Carrefour. They have lots of clothes, shoes, and things for your home at much lower prices. Pro tip: always look for sales and discounts. Dubai has lots of sales, especially during holidays. Sign up for emails and follow stores on social media to know about the latest deals. Buying used items is another great way to save money. There are websites and Facebook groups where people sell used clothes, furniture, and other things for much less. Looking good doesn't have to be expensive. Be creative, and you can find great deals and still look your best. Chapter 7. Side Hustle Superstar. Boost your income the Dubai way. Living on a budget can be hard, even in Dubai. But what if you could make some extra money? That's where side hustles come in. Dubai has lots of opportunities for freelancers. If you're a writer, designer, teacher, or have any other skills, you can probably find freelance work online or by talking to people. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients worldwide. You can find jobs you like, set your own prices, and work from home. If you prefer working in person, consider part-time jobs in stores, restaurants, or tourism. Dubai's tourism industry has many jobs for people looking for extra income. Just make sure you're allowed to work a side hustle in Dubai and have the right permits and visas. Chapter 8. Saving Secrets, Making Your Money Grow in the Desert. Can you save money on a 4,000 AED salary in Dubai? Yes, you absolutely can. It might seem challenging at first, given the high cost of living in this bustling metropolis, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. It takes discipline, some planning, and the right strategies. Start by tracking your expenses meticulously. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. First, set a realistic savings goal. This goal should be achievable and tailored to your financial situation. Even if it's just 300 AED a month, having a goal will help you stay focused. Small, consistent savings can accumulate over time, leading to significant amounts. Here's a great tip. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't even have to think about it. Many banks let you automatically transfer money from your checking account to your savings account every month. This ensures that you save consistently without any extra effort. It's like paying yourself first. By prioritizing your savings, you ensure that you are building a financial cushion for the future. Another way to save is to use free remittance offers. If you send money home, look for banks and exchange houses that offer free or low-cost remittance services. Banks and exchange houses often have free or cheap ways to send money home. This can save you a significant amount in fees over time. Bonus tip: always look for discounts and deals. From groceries to entertainment, there are always ways to save money if you look for them. From groceries to entertainment, there are always ways to save money if you look for them. Every dirham counts. Use discount apps and coupons to get the best deals. By saving regularly and using these strategies, you'll be surprised how much you can save, even on a smaller income. Consistency is key, and with time, your savings will grow, providing you with financial security and peace of mind. So, living in Dubai on a 4,000 AED salary is definitely possible. It's about being smart with your money, making good choices, and using all the affordable options Dubai offers. It's not about not having fun, it's about making smart choices with your money. By following these tips, you can enjoy Dubai and save money at the same time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money-saving tips and Dubai living advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Living in Dubai on a tight budget requires careful planning and smart decisions. By using these tips, you can enjoy the city and build a good financial future.